hungry. I want some breakfast right now, so let's make some scrambled eggs. Okay, your ingredients. First egg. One, two, and three. And just now we have to mix this up. So then stir it. It's nice and yellow. But we have one more egg to add, but we're not gonna add it right now. Alexa, stop. There's salt. Now your pepper. Then butter up your pan. Don't wait 2 to 4 minutes for the pan to heat up. Then get your bacon and cut it out of this and then put it in the air fryer for 15 or 12 minutes. Put the paper away. Get 4 scoops. Then put it in the air fryer. I thought it was 4, but it was 3, but who cares? More room. Put your eggs in the pan. It's cooked because it already took like 30 seconds for this to cook. So now add 1 more egg to it. And just I add the 4th egg. So way better. Good. Look like it kind of looks a little, so I'm gonna add 1 more egg to it. Doing that, yeah, 3 eggs look like this. Wait for the bacon. So when your thing looks like this, it's good. See